So I was drawing the ZHC doodle and then this happened. Huion sent me their new tablet for me to try and review. So my brothers, this is my first ever digital drawing. But first, let's unbox this thing. Okay, so we got the sexy glove, cables, the digital F-fine liner, the donut, nips, some cool cables, tablet cleaner, and boring stuff. Now let's get ready to draw. For this I'm gonna use my ugly laptop, the cables, and of course my SpongeBob vest. Don't forget to wear your sexy glove, Crocs and socks to get mind-blowing results. Oh shit, this is my first. Oh shit, this is so sick. First I'm gonna draw the sketch of my crazy character. Always start with basic shapes, my brothers. Now it's time to ink. Okay, I inked the face of my crazy character and now I'm gonna ink the whole body. So, let's do it. To ink this drawing, I'm using a random Photoshop brush and oof, oof, oof! It is perfect for sexy lines. Oof, crazy doggo. Now it's time to color, but first I'm gonna mask my drawing using the digital sexy blue tape. This is something I learned from Yasa and it is really useful. I was starting to feel really tired, so it is time for a bit of paint water. Mix. Holy shit, this is so delicious. Let's keep working on it. Okay, while I finished the last part of this crazy character, let me tell you what I think about this sexy drawing tablet. I'm having a lot of fun using it and I would really recommend it to someone who is starting to draw digital, like ya boy Gawx, or to someone who wants to have an amazing drawing tablet for a great price compared to other brands. I actually used to have another drawing tablet without screen that I got for $600. $600! I mean, with $600 I could buy like 200 Copics or 300 Crocs. And the one I'm using right now costs only $470. It has a screen and it's way more fun to use. It has a pretty cool pen, even better than the F-fine liner, with over 8000 pressure sensitivity levels, so you can draw ultra mega sexy lines with it. The tablet has some buttons and a touch bar on the side for you to customize and make your drawing process more effective and fun. And the pen has two other crazy buttons as well. A thing that I really like about it is that there's almost no space between the pen and the sexy line you're drawing. And this makes me feel like I'm drawing on the sexy sketchbook instead of a tablet. And you know what? That is awesome. The colors on this tablet look amazing and the resolution is great. Everything actually looks better in the tablet than in my ugly laptop. In my honest opinion, this tablet gets a 10 out of 10. I never got a 10 at school. Sorry, mom. So if you wanna buy it, go to the link in the description and use my discount code to get a discount. By the way, Huion didn't pay me to make this review. They just sent me the tablet and I could say whatever I thought about it. Now that I finished my drawing, it's time for the reveal. DJ Gawx, epic music please. another by the way, we're almost at 100k subscribers. That's awesome. So if you haven't yet, don't forget to subscribe because